Xylea-Wood, a fully customizable exhibit system. The solution to all your trade show, display, and slatwall needs. With a strong yet lightweight design, Xylea-Wood allows you to build virtually any design you can imagine, or you can choose from a variety of all-inclusive packages. Because Xylea-Wood uses quality materials with precision engineering, our patented toolless slide and lock system allows you to assemble it yourself without expensive contractors or union workers. Slatwall panels can be customized with graphics, shelving, cabinets, lighting, flooring, monitor mounts, dressing rooms, fixtures, and walls as high as 16 feet. With Xylea-Wood, you'll save on assembly, shipping, and drayage every time you use your booth. Call us today for a free quote or visit us online at xyleawood.com. Xylea-Wood, strong, straight, light.